Welcome to Redline Review. The 2026 launch of the Lamborghini Motorhome offers a fresh take on an opulent getaway. It is a futuristic motorhome for those who expect supercar DNA to penetrate all aspects of their existence. Modern performance and elegance are combined with the recognizable Italian flair of Lamborghini. Establish a plan and a style for the outside. Drawing influence from the Aventador and the Revuelto, the campervan's aggressive and aerodynamic design is consistent with Lamborghini's long-standing dedication to the automotive sector. This Lamborghini's scissor-style entrance doors, Y-shaped LED lighting, cutting lines, and sturdy front fascia all add to the unique driving experience. It appears faster while parked because of its lightweight, aerodynamically adjustable carbon fiber panels. Forces on trains. When it debuts in 2026, the Lamborghini Motorhome will be powered by a hybrid V12 engine coupled to electric motors. More than 1,000 horsepower can be produced by the engine situated beneath the hood, or more precisely, the floor. Its all-wheel drive system and adjustable air suspension offer exceptional agility and stability, whether it's driving on the autobahn or parked on a snowy hillside. You are greeted as soon as you enter by the fusion of smart home technology and beauty reminiscent of racing. In addition to the inside finishes of Alcantara and carbon fiber, the cabin has customizable color schemes and ambient LED lighting. Among the most impressive features are the king-sized bed in the master suite, the panoramic roof, and the fully equipped kitchen with smart equipment and Italian marble counters. There is a retractable OLED TV, surround sound, and an augmented reality-powered projection wall in the living room. A rainforest shower, touch-activated glass, and heated floors are all highlights of the luxurious bathroom. Features and progress in technology. Alongside AI-assisted route planning, terrain adaptation, and voice-activated controls, these features are made possible by Lamborghini's proprietary Live Drive technology. When the car is on a highway, it can switch to the autonomous driving mode. Sustainability that is independent of the grid can be attained by mounting solar panels on the roof. The onboard garage offers enough room for a Lamborghini scooter or an electronic bicycle, both of which need a lot of room. It is also necessary to take availability into account. Launched in 2026, the Lamborghini Motorhome is expected to retail for $2.5 million USD and be produced in limited quantities. Under the Lamborghini Ad Personam program, the car can be customized. Delivery is expected to begin in the second half of 2025 to a specific customer niche.